Kato Big Boy back from Kato. I bought it broken. She's all fixed. Man, this thing is big. Alright, so let's give her a try, right? Got my old Arduino Uno with built-in Wi-Fi and DCC EX motor shield. Alright, let's go give it power. She started up there. I already did the acquire. Alright, look in the front. Turn the light on, yep. Got bell, horn. And hold the button. Alright, forward. Definitely has the, doesn't stop on a dime. Thing's pretty cool. Does not like these switches for some reason.